Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to delete a Minecraft world. First, launch your Minecraft game. From the main menu, select the single-player option. This will take you to a list of all your saved worlds. Take a moment to identify the world you wish to remove. Remember, this action is permanent, so be absolutely sure of your choice before proceeding to the next step. We'll guide you through the process carefully. Once you've identified the world, select it but do not click Play Selected World. Instead, look for the Edit button, typically near the bottom. Clicking Edit opens a new menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Open World Folder. This action will open your computer's file explorer directly to the specific folder containing all the data for that particular Minecraft world. This is the crucial location where the actual deletion will take place, so pay close attention to the folder name. With the world folder open in your file explorer, you now have two main options for deletion. You can either right-click on the entire world folder and select Delete, or drag the folder directly to your recycle bin or trash. Confirm the deletion when prompted. This action permanently removes all associated files, including builds, inventories, and progress. There is no undo button within Minecraft for this, so proceed with absolute certainty, as this step is irreversible. After deleting the folder, return to your Minecraft game. You will notice that the world you just removed is no longer listed in your single-player worlds menu. This confirms its successful deletion. Always remember to back up any worlds you might want to revisit in the future, perhaps by copying their folders to a separate location. Deleting a world is a simple process, but it is final, so always double-check your selection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.